Good morning, children. Let us continue where we had ended yesterday. Yesterday, the last line was they boycotted the oppressive landlords. Nai Dhobi Bands. Nai Dhobi Bands were organized to deprive landlords of the services of even barbers and washermen. Till here we had done. But again, those who have come for today, you kindly leave 8 pages and then you all start because you all have not been coming for the morning class and you leave 8 pages and then we are going to restart this topic from the beginning. So write the heading after leaving 8 pages, write the heading rebellion in the countryside. Write it down. The non-cooperation movement spread to the countryside. Spread to the countryside. Full stop. Next point. In Awadh, peasants were led by Baba Ramchandra. By Baba Ramchandra, a sannyasi who had been to Fiji, Fiji, as an indentured laborer who abolition, demanded abolition from doing begar, begar, comma, security of tenancy and reduction in taxes and rents. Reduction in taxes and rents. Full stop. Next point. They boycotted the oppressive landlords. They boycotted the oppressive landlords. Henki. Landlords put a dash. Nai Dhobi Bands were organized. Henki. Nai Dhobi Bands were organized to deprive landlords of the services of even barbers and washermen. Of even barbers and washermen. Full stop. Next point. October 1920. October 1920. Put a dash. Awadh Kisan Sabha. Awadh Kisan Sabha was set up by Jawaharlal Nehru and Baba Ramchandra. Jawaharlal Nehru and Baba Ramchandra. Full stop. The effort was to integrate. The effort was to integrate the the Awadh peasant struggle. The Awadh peasant struggle into the wider struggle. Into the wider struggle. Full stop. Next point. The peasant movement. The peasant movement, comma, however, however, progressed. However, progressed in a way, in a way, put a dash, that Congress did not approve. That Congress did not approve, comma, as the houses of taluktars Talukdars, talukdars, and merchants were attacked, comma, bazaars and bazaar grains were looted, full stop. Next point. Peasant told that Gandhiji had declared that Gandhiji had declared not to pay taxes, not to pay taxes, and land was to be redistributed, and land was to be redistributed. Full stop. Now a line you write down. The name of Mahatma. The name of Mahatma was being invoked was being invoked to sanction all action all action and and aspiration. Full stop. Subheading another one. Write it down. Andhra Pradesh. First point. Tribal peasant interpreted the message. Tribal peasant interpreted the message of Swaraj in yet another way. In yet another way. Full stop. In the Gudam Hills, Gudam, Gudam Hills, comma, a militant guerrilla movement, a militant guerrilla, Guerrilla, guerrilla movement spread, a militant guerrilla movement spread in 1920s. Full stop. Next point. Government banned the entry of people. Government banned the entry of people to the forest to the forest to graze or to collect fuel wood and fruits. Fuel wood, FUEL, fuel wood and fruits. Full stop. This enraged the people. This enraged the people who felt that that their traditional rights were being were being denied. Full stop. Next point. People were forced to do begari. People were forced to do begari. Full stop. The person who led them The person who led them was Alluri Sitaraman Raju. Alluri Sitaraman Raju. Alluri Alluri Sitaraman Raju, put a dash, who claimed to have who claimed to have supernatural powers, supernatural powers, comma, could make correct astrological predictions, could make correct astrological predictions, comma, heal people, heal people, comma, survive bullet shots, survived bullet shots, comma, the rebels considered him the rebels considered him an incarnation of God, an incarnation of God, full stop. Raju was deeply inspired. Raju was deeply inspired by by Mahatma Gandhi, comma, but he asserted, asserted, that India could be liberated, that India could be liberated only by the use of force, only by the use of force and not non-violence. Full stop. Next point. The rebels, the rebels attacked police stations. The rebels attacked police stations, comma, killed British officials, killed British officials, comma, carried guerrilla warfare, carried guerrilla warfare for Swaraj, for Swaraj. Next point. Raju was captured. Raju was captured and executed. Raju was captured and executed in 1924, comma, and and he became a folk hero, a folk hero. Full stop. Next subheading, write it down, Swaraj in the plantation. From here, in our next class, we are going to continue. Is that clear, children? There is no need to hurry. And after this, we are going to start with the next chapter. I'll tell you which one. Okay, just now we are going to stop.